Project 50, Day 1, a 50-day challenge created by State of Mind. Here are the rules I'll be following. Do my morning routine, 1 hour no distraction. For me, that includes skincare, breakfast, and setting the tone for the day. Exercise for at least 60 minutes. Read at least 10 pages of a book. Eat a healthy, high-protein diet. Dedicate 1 hour to learning or improve a skill. For me, that's editing and YouTube automation. Post at least 1 piece of content a day. Track my progress daily in a journal. Do an evening routine, 1 hour no distraction. Get 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Side goals. Day 1 of building a 50k per month. Day 1 of grinding YouTube automation until I get monetized. Here's what I did today. Day 1. Pagkagising ko, inayos ko agad yung higaan ko. After that, diretso ako sa kusina para magtimpla ng gatas. Kasi gutom na ako. Uminom ako ng gatas at kumain ng tinapay. Then I did my morning skincare routine. After that, I read a few pages from a book. Lunchtime na, so kumain na ako. Then I start packing. Magbabahay na kasi ako bukas papuntang Legazpi. Vacation muna ako sa UAE para makapag-recharge. Makasama si mama at makawala sa environment na medyo toxic for my productivity. Dito kasi hirap akong maging disciplined and consistent. And to be honest, bored na rin ako. After that, I did my workout for the day. Naligo ako, then kumain ulit. I finished reading 10 pages from my book. And now I'm wrapping up my day with journaling. Day 1 done, 49 more to go. See you guys tomorrow.